And I'm not wrenching me. I see ye who say videos no and saying there to a chakakra. Shasi a base last week in the mobile and na videos no egusua circulating and circulating now more. More monitor ye pan mo said maybe no almost share that SNS and the encophobia message. One saka message ni bibia who say yes this and the message say be ya videos no. Emo modern see a beja say ye pushy na e ko viral ni na ene say ya. Honorable Sam George ababechiremu de enti a saa no ebaye o say efiri sa asem ne baye nyina ye bubu ye nyina ha ye nyina ye diareho na so na o responsibility say wo so timi e carry bi ne say onya enti ye esesa videos na e fa ye MPC one mo hwe bia se ne ye sisa nipa egu kotokuom eni videos ni bia na eja eda nipa mu a nipa ehye na enye ize kra o say nam santi no mpanyifo ehye ni se beya anka onye bibi emfa ho se de beya sa videos ni nyina obi antimi enhye yi biem e wo social media no so fi se omodwen omo a omobusuafo eho aka no ene ebi mu ja emma omususua e wo akire omo yerenom ne ade enti mpanyifo etena ase adwen ho se ne yere ete ho na oye na adwen so ko social media no so na nani ekobo bibi sa so na akoye se kura ewu na wasanso awa animu na te se akoye ade a ya pa enti na de ombeye ne se wo so mo ne MTN for te se network ahodo wo man mu MTN Airtel Tigo Telecel omo ne omo edi nsan so se de be ya ombetimi a monitor omo network no mo hu nkofo a omo guso omo share circulate sa videos no se de be ombe slow internet no enti ni se wo share kra na send ye wo se nipa ni nya no onya ne sa ma video no so entimi enkoso a entrend ma ase entre enti ni se nei o share da hu videos no wo social media no so na de akoba eno no Honorable Sam George we technology and I say information technology communications minister wotumi den semwe atudwa chese ono a anone na pamfo share sa telekosi omo sebe ya omontumi entitia enema so se de benkofo ntimi circulate videos ni bebe emma enkofo eja omo eche papa nom enuanom ye wofanom ya ena na trenchemi eto omo ye ma omo ja omo eche ne yere no ma omo ja omo eche nyina no enkoye se omo hu a akai omo eyaw.
When it comes to the coverage, generally I would say that it's been a mixed bag for me. And let me say a very big thank you to the telecom companies, MTN, Telecel, and Airtel Tigo or AT Ghana. When the incident happened, I mean, I was distraught, but we still had a responsibility to the state. I got a call with the videos that started circulating. The unfortunate situation is most of them were circulating on WhatsApp. Yeah. And WhatsApp is a platform that is not controlled by any country. It's a private business. I was faced as Minister for Communications with two options. One was to shut down the internet in the country to prevent further spread of the videos. Because don't forget that at that time you had not had government officially complete communications with the families. Government had not made a formal communication. You had some of the kids who are old enough being online. I was worried about the mental health of those kids and the spouses, and such tragedy needs to be broken in a certain way. And I thought that the insensitivity, and so that was one option, to shut down, make a public announcement and say we're turning off the internet for a period to allow for calm to prevail and have a grip of everything before we allowed. But then that also would come with its own consequences. I mean, many of you stream the news. How do people get the news via stream and all of that? So you could have a ripple effect that would actually be worse than what you were trying to fix. And so we had to leave that intact and immediately reach out to, I had the cybersecurity authority immediately reach out to Meta and activate a POC that we had there to see what Meta could do, because Meta controls owns the WhatsApp platform. And then I started making personal calls to senior vice presidents that I knew at Meta to see what could be done. They assured me they were going to look into the matter. And then I reached out to the NCA and asked them to get in touch with all the CEOs. I personally placed calls to the 3 CEOs and said they should work with the NCA. We sent out about 30 million text messages within the space of 2 hours, and the telecom companies bore the cost for this. So all those messages that went out from the MOCDTI asking people to please exercise restraint, cost was borne by the telecom companies themselves as part of working with us too, and the NCA coordinated the blast of the messages across the country.
So Honorable Sam George in its meeting same way atuja ese nkra amowo abonten enso ehwe omo pese fambi so ebe masa nkolai affect omo adwen mu ene e base akola onim hwe na wona social media no ko se je da nipa mu ayesa na ye mpanyimfo ikra no ehu eche kakra enti no anya nto enya ntua wa ye bechew ese wo circulate videos ni bia na ban anyway bedi nyonyo no menanu po Ashanti regional minister enso edebeti mountain enso say why behu say videos ni bi wo wire ho na wo share na wo say no na wo chese wo keka anse mebre de fam bebre no so mu a ne waso ebe hyepa yesi ano empanyimfo apese mo mfa nema engu akwam se de be ya sa torenchem ya esi no enka me akoyesa beni abribia no obi ade obeya na bibi obi be ka no sanso ebetwe ya adwen akoso paaye yenim se de akoye no akoye abakosem akoye sekotwa a ekuro no eye dipupa wo ye den a wonyinyinyi kura na we hu sekotwa no eda ho na se akoye abakosem ewo ho na mani because rent me mfida eti de asi no akoye kotwa kese pa ato manga na so a enya de a yere ebetumi efi se na esi eye May 9 2000 esi mrebia enam sema nipa almost 130 ehwom nkwa nani na nyina no du ono ma ye kai ya na sa enkofo no sa enso na se sa dai eduru a ewo August bosumenimu a ebeyi ede esi wonom ede akai sa enkofo ya o mahwere omo enkwan sisi ane de na wono abochire ma videos no ya bra se mo bibia ni ho a owo bi a waye na adwo so be hye ya mo be san se obi nya bi no wa ebe che no waso ebe hyepa